charms right here. If you don't have this cherry, you can absolutely make it with the frames and your Scarlet's red. We can do that as well with the chain. It just the charms is just so nice and it's so cute. It's so convenient for me. And sometimes if the clients want, like, you know, in the time frame, we can also use this as well. All right, so Kia, how much would you charge for this one, Vicky? Kia for 60 seconds. The fusionings and charms on it. So going to the next, the second nails. I love to watching Vicky with the live video. She will explain so much, learning a lot from her. We've been travel together for so many years. Long time, more than 12 years. Ever.
Next time we're signing out. She's too exhausted, sending some sleep.
Nancy, you are holding out on me. What time is you are 12:30 now on your times. All right, Kia for 60 seconds. This one I had a little bit of residue there. Hey Dom, we had a hot night last night, so I'm exhausted. I'll catch you later. Nice. Hey Dom, get some rest, love. Give the baby a kiss. Get some rest, so then if you take good care of yourself, you can take care of the whole family. No worry. Watch it later. It's gonna be on IGTV. We'll save it there for all of you who is really successful, like all the nail techs out there, moms, wife, you know, in the family. We're here to support. So get some rest and you can watch it later. I'm gonna check around all the gap and the edges of the charms and between the crystal, and I'm gonna using twin tip brush and then blend it all that excess precision glue, so then it doesn't look lumpy, bumpy after you cure. Great. All right, now cure for 60 seconds. This we are going to the last nails right here. I'm gonna check. I feel the scratchy right here. You only feel it when you feel scratchy, and don't squeeze anything yet. Each time you're using just a little bit, and you just need a little go a long way. And I love this in the needles. It keep it really precise. So now it's really cool because remember that I did a top coat on the top of the chain. It's hold the chains is really like concrete down here. You don't feel any scratchy at all except this edges right here. So I'm gonna seal it in to make it really nice and blending. And using my twin tip brush and blend this, you know, extra precision glue, and we are good to go. Cure for 60 seconds, and this nail is done. All right. And it's really nice though. On this precision glue is one of the things I really love, because sometimes if you're doing for the clients, they change their minds, they want add some more smaller crystal or using halos on their cuticles. You can open this and get that your precision brush on here, not too much or big brush at all, so you can just apply right along with the cuticles and add your crystals on it, like along with this, and add your crystal on and cure for 60 seconds, and then you are good. Let's see. Oh, nice. Okay, I love it, Vicky. So the floor with the chains, the floor with chain, $6 for transfer foil, $2 for butterflies, and $4 for chain. 12. Okay, sound really reasonable and is really good. It's fair enough, so you don't overcharge and you not undercharge the clients. All right, so she break it down for this. It was smaller nails, and you're doing this one. You're gonna do is $6 for chunk. This one, this one is stickers. So the $6, yes, it's you counting for the stickers as well. And $2 for butterflies, you add it on for $2, and then $4 for the chain, so $12. So at least minimum is $12, if not more, if you don't counting as the $5 nails. And then this one, and then it depends on the salon location as well. And I would suggest like this for all of you who's really like afraid of to chalk the client. Do not afraid of, just be honest with them, because it will cost you a technique and you practice, and then cost you to invest on the business. It's fair to get chalked accordingly, not under chalks, not over chalks, because it take you extra time. Like it would take you 5 minutes once, and if this one will take you 5 minutes, it's still 5 minutes of your time, and then extra of the products you're using. So for me, you know, I will feel is really fair for clients and you, and then you have something is really unique and create for the clients. But we always consult the clients. We can go back in another session for live videos at how we consult the clients as well. We did it in last few videos, so if you miss it, you can absolutely be watching them and let me know if it's helpful for you, if you want to or if you want to know more information, or if you need more support, how you can able to introduce your client to wear something new that you never offer in the salons, how you can will introduce to clients, so without they feeling like they don't want to change. Like a lot of people will say, my clients will never do this. It kind of yes and it kind of no, because if you don't introduce with them, you don't offer, or you don't see, they probably might not get it, you know. Yeah, either smaller nails. That is right, Vicky. So okay, thank you, Vicky. So she gave an idea of $12 is really fair.